Hey everybody, Tony Giordano here, and I just wanted to say how very impressed and amped I am over Jason Mitchell's new macro listing course. You have got to check this thing out. This guy has been all over the United States, one of the fastest growing real estate teams in the nation. He has so much to offer and give, and tidbits and just secrets that have helped him build such an expansive business, but just how systematic he is, and for the price and what they're doing to allow people to get his macro listing course, it's pretty phenomenal. So as a national coach for many real estate agents, I personally always try to guide people the right way, and when he came out with this and I got to review it, I was so impressed. So make sure you reach out, Google Jason Mitchell, go to his website, get the new macro listing course, and get into production at an even a higher level than you are now. Talk to you soon.